Apparently, the YouTube is saying that you're blowing in the wrong end of the duck call.
Oh, boy.
Go ahead. That's it.
Hey. That makes no sense. You would think the one that looks like the mouthpiece.
Hell of a call.
Hey, watch out for the ducks flying in.
We got a flying V coming in right now.
Good for me.
There's our Emmy moment.
Oh, my God. Are we winning an Emmy for that?
Oh, we should.
Yeah, I think so.
Nick Marota gifted me this duck call this morning. Never been out on the pond or in the hedges or whatever the hell they do. I've watched Duck Dynasty, though, so I understand it's a process. I would like to be judged on this duck call now that I know that it's the ass end you blow into and not the mouthpiece end. Please judge this on a score of 1 to 10, I believe he said.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And if it's don't be rude. I'm sitting out there. It's like 7:30 a.m.
What's the temperature?
It's like 50, 55, 56 degrees.
Good dew.
You know, the sun is like kind of up a little bit. There is dew.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little pond out there in front. I'm sitting in one of them things with the grass and
Duck blind.
yeah, I got the eye black
Ghillie
on,
suit.
the ghillie suit on.
Yeah.
And they say, "Hey, Pat, we're ready to go." And I go fire in the hole. You see them come flying in. You got Gordon Bombay leading the boys. Incoming! Duck poops flying! Bird shot! That's a lot easier when you go from that end.
Oh, yeah.
Who would have known?